Details tonight about the construction workers injured in that roof collapse in Astoria, Queens, and the contractor they worked for. News 4's Mark Santia has our first look at one of the victims of that accident. Mark, you're joining us live in Astoria.
Yeah, and right now, crews are working to put up this sidewalk shed. This as 3 construction workers are in the hospital right now with serious injuries. On a stretcher, pulled out from hundreds of pounds of rubble, that's construction worker Baljinder Singh. He's alive, and his attorney says he is currently in surgery.
He's got multiple fractures of his leg, his pelvis. He's in a neck collar.
Daniel Minc represents Singh. He took these photos and spoke to the 29-year-old from India just a short time ago. Minc says the roof could not support the heavy material offloaded onto it, and while workers were inside...
This was a sudden roar and a collapse, and he was a victim below 2,000 pounds of material that collapsed from the roof.
Just minutes ago from his hospital bed, Salvador Velasquez describes the moments this roof caved in on him, saying he was on the 3rd floor working when everything crashed down, burying him in concrete and metal. Back at the scene today, the Department of Buildings slapped the general contractor with 2 violations for, quote, failure to safeguard the site. The DOB also ordered all work stopped immediately. The building is being converted from a 2-family building into a 3-family building. For 29-year-old Singh, the sole breadwinner for his family, the man seen here on the stretcher, his lawyer says even though he is suffering, he is
grateful to be alive. These first responders are fabulous. The fire department's been working here all day yesterday, all day today.
The 3 construction workers are all expected to survive, but there's no telling how long they could suffer from their injuries. Now, investigators are still here on the scene. They're still working to try to determine just what caused this roof collapse. We're live in Astoria. I'm Mark Santia, News 4 New York.
All right, Mark, thanks.